Our third chapter is Laplace transform, unit 3. Students, this is Laplace transform. As usual, I'll give some basic definitions and then I'll take you to the problem one by one. Right? Number 1. Actually, what is the use of this Laplace transform? It is easy, effective technique to solve the differential equations specifically. Now I'll go for the main definition. L of f of t. Straight away I'll go for the definition. L of f of t is nothing but 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So this is the Laplace given for elementary functions he has given, not for all functions. He has given only for the elementary functions. One by one I'll make you to understand. Now what is Laplace of 1? What is Laplace of 1? So 0 to infinity, our function is unit function, right? F of t is 1. So e power minus st into 1 into dt. Now what is integration of e power minus st? E power minus st by minus s. So 0 to infinity. So which is equal to upper limit, if you apply, I'll get e power minus infinity by minus s minus e power 0. E power 0 is 1, e power minus infinity is 0. As at last, I'll get 1 by s. So the thing is this, like for 1, what is this, the input? So Laplace we apply. What is the output we are getting? 1 by s. Okay. Similarly, I'll take you to the next one. Like similarly for t, what is the formula? What is the output of t? T is 1 by s square. In this way, if you proceed, I'll get the output 1 by s square. Remember, for 1 by s, for t 1 by s square. What is the output of t power n using Laplace? So Laplace of t power n is n factorial by s power n plus 1. Similarly, what is sin at? Sin at is a by s square plus a square. What is cos at? Cos at s by s square plus a square. What is sin hat? Sin hat a by a square minus a square. Next, what is cos hat? Cos hat is equal to s by s square minus a square. So what is the Laplace transform of e power at? 1 by s minus a. What is the formula for e power minus at? 1 by s plus a. So the very basic formulas which plays an important role for solving many more complicated problems. So this is a very basic, everyone should know. Now, next I'll take you to the problem. So listen, so problem 1 is this: find the Laplace transform of whom? Laplace of 7 e power 2t plus 3 e power minus 3t. This is the question. I'll go to the answer now. Now here we apply the linearity property. So if you see the textbook, you can analyze the properties. Now anyhow, through the problem, I'll explain you. So this is linearity property we have to supply, which is equal to 7 L of e power 2t plus 3 L of e power minus 3t, right? Which is equal to 7. What is L of e power 2t? Just now I told you e power st is 1 by s minus, come on, 1 by s minus 2. So e power 2t means 1 by s minus 2. I got it. Plus 3 into, what is L of e power minus 3t? Like 1 by s plus 3. Okay, so with this I think I can cross multiply and I can find out the function in terms of s. So remember, whenever we apply the Laplace transformation, the output will be in terms of whom? S only. S is a dummy variable. Remember, whatever you supply, output should be in terms of s. Right, come on, like 7 by s minus 2 plus 3 by s plus 3. So if I take LCM or cross multiplication, if I do 7s plus 21 plus 3s minus 6 whole divided by s minus 2 multiplied by s plus 3. So which is equal to 7s plus 21 plus 3s minus 6 whole divided by, what is this? S squared minus 2s plus 3s minus 6. So which is equal to 7 10s. 10s plus 15, right? Yes, divided by s squared plus s. This one is minus 6. Huh? Okay. So this one is minus 6. So this is the respective output of this function. Find L of 7 e power 2t plus 3 e power minus 3t. Yes. Second problem. Second problem is this. Find L of 2 e power minus 3t plus 3t square minus 4 sine 2t plus 2 cos 3t. Right. In this way, we have to expand. First one is linearity property. Step by step we'll go. So 2 into L of e power minus 3t plus 3 L of t squared minus 4 L of sine 2t plus 2 L of cos 3t. Right? Yes. So 1 by 1. So what is L of e power minus 3t? So 2 divided by s plus 3. Right. Plus 3. What is L of t power n? In the previous slide I told you s power n plus t power n plus 1. So I'll get n factorial by s power n plus 1. So 3. Right. Minus 4 into what is L of sine 2t? 2 divided by s square plus 4 plus 2 into s divided by s square plus 9. So in this way we can take s square plus 9, s plus 3 as an LCM or cross multiply, whatever you want you can do, and then cross multiply, you'll get the solution in terms of whom? Function of s. So problem is given in terms of f of t, taking Laplace, the output will be in terms of f of s. This is the function they have given, so the output will be in terms of f of s. So in this way, I'll go to the next problem. The next problem is this, like find Laplace transformation of e power t cos ht plus sin ht. E power t cos ht plus sin ht. Okay, right. First step. So L of e power t linearity property cos ht plus the next one is what? E power t sin ht, right? Yeah. So next, which is equal to L of e power t cos ht plus Laplace of e power t sin ht. Okay. So which is equal to next step is nothing but this is first shifting property. What property we are going to supply for both the case? First shifting. So first shifting property we have to choose. So what happens if we apply this first shifting property? So I'll get L of cos ht and then I have to replace s plus s minus 1 plus L of sin ht s tends to s minus 1. So now what is L of cos ht? Cos ht is s divided by s square minus 1, where I have to supply s is s minus 1. So plus, so here what is Laplace of sin ht? Sin ht is 1 by s square minus 1, where I have to supply s is s minus 1. So which is equal to s is s minus 1 means s minus 1 in the numerator, s minus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square minus 1, right? So now, so which is equal to, I think both denominator are common here. So I'll take this as common factor, like s minus 1 plus 1 divided by s minus 1 whole square minus 1. Now 1 get cancelled, which is equal to s divided by a square minus 2s plus 1 minus 1. So 1 get cancelled, which is equal to s divided by s square minus 2s is the respective output of whom? Output of this problem. Yes. Next problem is this. What is the next problem? Find Laplace transform of 2e power minus 3t plus 3t square minus 4 sine 2t plus 2 cos 3t. Okay. So which is equal to 2 into L of e power minus 3t plus 3 L of t square minus 4 into L of sine 2t plus 2 into L of cos 3t. One by one we'll cover this. Okay. So which is equal to 2 into what is Laplace of e power minus 3t? 1 by e power minus st. What is the formula for e power minus st? 1 by or e power minus 2t? 1 by s plus 2. Suppose s. Okay. So e power minus at, s plus e. So like that I have e power minus 3t. So I'll get 1 by s plus 3. Next plus 3 into t power n formula. So I'll get n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. So I'll get s cube. Okay. So into 3 into 2 factorial by s cube. Next minus 4. So minus 4 into what is Laplace of sine 2t? So sine 80. What is the formula for sine 80? So sine 80 is, as I told you, a by a square plus a square. So instead of a, what we have? 2. So I'll get like 2 divided by a square plus 4. Okay. Similarly, coming to this part, plus 2 into what I have? L of cos here, cos 3t. What is the formula for cos 3t? Cos 80 is a by, s by a square plus a square. So what I'll get here? 2 into s divided by s square plus 9. S square plus 9. Now I'll rewrite the function here, which is equal to 2 divided by s plus 1 plus 6 divided by s cube minus 8 divided by s square plus 4 plus 2s divided by s square plus 9. S square plus 9. One more problem I'll try in this way. Next problem. Next problem is this. So next problem, find Laplace transform of e power minus 2t sine 5t, and this is the first problem, and second one is Laplace of e power 3t cos h 4t. Cos h 4t. Yes, problem 1. So what is L of e power minus 2t? It's a first shifting property. Sine 5t. It's a first shifting property. Number 1, I have to transform Laplace of sine 5t as first, and then I have to replace s plus 2. Now what is Laplace of sine 5t? So 5 divided by s square plus 25. Later I have to, what I have to do? So I have to replace s plus 2. So what I'll get here? So which is equal to 5 divided by s plus 2 the whole square plus 25. So which is equal to 5 divided by s square plus b square plus 4s plus 25. So which is equal to what? Which is equal to 5 divided by s square plus 4s plus 29. Right? Similarly, for the second case, we have to try. So second case, L of e power 3t cos h 4t. Right? So cos h 4t. Here we have replaced s plus 2. We have replaced s plus 2, and then we got this answer. Coming to this part, what is L of cos h4t? L of cos h4t, and then have to replace s minus 3. Now what is L of cos h4t? S divided by s square minus 16, and then I have to replace s minus 3. Okay, yes. So in which I'll get s minus 3 in the numerator, denominator s minus 3 the whole square minus 16. I have to expand this, right? I'll use the space itself. So if I expand, what I'll get, students? S minus 3 in the numerator. Here if I expand, s square minus 6s, okay, plus 9 minus 16. Okay, in this way we have to proceed the Laplace function. So what are the properties we have covered so far? First, shifting property, linearity property. Okay, we have covered. So in this way we have to find the remaining problems.